Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this video, we'll dive into the powerful tools provided by Azure to help you understand and manage the cost associated with your cloud infrastructure. But before you begin with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and clicked on this bell icon so that you may never miss an update from us. Alright, let's understand the two main calculators provided by Microsoft Azure for cost management: the Azure Pricing Calculator and the Total Cost of Ownership Calculator. First, let's discuss the pricing calculator. For using this calculator, you simply select the services you plan to use, like Azure virtual machines or storage or databases, and then you specify their configurations and usage details. And voila! The calculator calculates an estimated cost based on current prices for those services. Next, we have the total cost of ownership calculator. It helps user estimate the cost of running their workloads on Azure compared to running them on on-premises or on another cloud platform. With the TCO calculator, users can compare deployment options, including cost for hardware, software, support, power, cooling, and other resources. Alright, to perform this hands on lab, let's consider a scenario. Sarah is an IT manager at a mid sized e commerce company, currently running an application on premises infrastructure. Due to increasing maintenance costs, scalability issues, and the need for improved disaster recovery, her company has decided to migrate the application to Azure. Now, her task is to use the Azure pricing calculator and the total cost of ownership calculator to estimate the cost of running the application on Azure and compare it with the current on premises cost. So, to estimate the cost of running the application on Azure and compare it with the current on premises cost, Sarah has provided the following details about her current on premises environment. We'll be using these details in order to calculate the cost on Azure using the Azure pricing calculator and the Azure TCO calculator. So, are you ready to dive deeper? Unlock the exclusive content and demonstration by attending a demo on utilizing the pricing calculator and the TCO calculator. We'll show you how Sarah can compare the cost of running the application on Azure with a current on premises environment. Dive deeper into the tools by visiting our website. Don't miss out on the complete learning experience. Head over now.